There you go.
This is a video that goes along with the squishy soap activity that Miss Jamison posted. You need to have cornstarch, baby oil, and this Castile soap. I found this at just Target in with the body soaps. You also need to have a half a cup measuring cup, an eighth a cup measuring cup, and a teaspoon, and 2 quart-sized freezer bags. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put a half a cup of cornstarch into one of the bags. So half a cup, just fill this up. I'm going to level it off to make sure I have a half a cup. And this is going to go in one of my bags. Then I need an eighth of a cup of the soap. Let me make sure there is, yep, there's a safety piece right there that you have to take off. So I need an eighth a cup of this. All right, and this goes in my bag. Then I need 4 teaspoons of baby oil. This is usually found in the baby section of almost any store you go to. So 4 teaspoons. One, 2, 3, 4. Then it says to seal the bag. I'm going to take my bag and seal it. And gently squeeze bag to mix. So I'm trying to get all these things mixed together. And I'm going to keep going until I have a soap ball. It's going together. It's going to take me a minute to make sure I'm out of the corners of the bag. Still got some cornstarch left. Quite in the ball yet. Alright, I think I've got a ball. It says when soap ball forms, remove from bag, and then knead until smooth. So I'm going to spread out just a little bit of cornstarch so it doesn't stick to my counter. Not quite a ball yet. So I need to knead until smooth. So I'm going to put it down and I'm just going to press on it and then bring it back up and press on it some more. Trying to make it stay in a shape. And you know what? This is not staying. So I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of oil to it. It doesn't appear to have enough liquid in it. I'm going to put that on the top and then just mix it. Oh, now it's coming together. Now it's doing what I want it to. So then, once you get it to stay together, the next step is to form into a fun shape. So you can do a square, a ball, a triangle, you can do a star, whatever shape you think is best. So I made mine into a triangle. Then you're supposed to take off a small piece and use that to wash your hands. And the rest you put in a Ziploc bag to save it so that you can use it later.